फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स,
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स,
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज, सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म, क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट।
Hello everyone, you're watching Cricket Next. I'm Surama Kaushik and I'm here with the latest update on Team India's head coach. Well, the current head coach, Rahul Dravid, has clearly mentioned now he has officially confirmed that he won't reapply for the position and T20 World Cup 2024 will be his last assignment with Team India. Now, Team India is currently in the US to play their matches against different teams in Group A in T20 World Cup 2024 in the US and Caribbean. Rahul Dravid is with Team India and he has now clearly mentioned that he won't be seen in this position after the T20 World Cup 2024. Now, Dravid joined Team India as head coach in November 2021. He was appointed as the head coach then, and his tenure got over with ODI World Cup 2023. But his term was extended to T20 World Cup 2024, and now after this World Cup, he won't continue as Team India's head coach as he already confirmed himself. Now, the bigger question over here is if not Dravid, then who? So, last month, BCCI rolled out applications for the head coach role, and several names made the headlines like Ricky Ponting, Andy Flower, Justin Langer, Stephen Fleming, Gautam Gambhir, VVS Lakshman, and there were a lot of conversations and debates around all these names. But Rahul Dravid is out of the picture now because he has already confirmed that he won't be reapplying. VVS Lakshman is also out of the picture, as he mentioned that he doesn't want to apply for the role and he's happy with his role with NCA. Then other Australian coaches who were part of IPL teams, they also mentioned that they don't want to roll themselves up for 10 months to be with Team India, and they don't want to be with Team India for such a big role and get themselves around and busy for the entire year. So that's one thing. So the biggest name that made the headlines was of Gautam Gambhir. Now, Gautam Gambhir joined Kolkata Knight Riders as the mentor. KKR won the IPL Trophy 2024, and after that, Gautam Gambhir made headlines for being the front runner for the top job. But there hasn't been any official word from the former India batter or the BCCI if he has even applied for the job. Now, BCCI Secretary Jay Shah had rejected reports claiming that unofficial discussions were held with former Australian cricketers. He had also said that they haven't approached to any Australian cricketer, which makes it obvious that there won't be any foreign coach who will get this job, because in BCCI statement it was also mentioned pretty clearly that they want someone who understands Team India's, or for that matter, India's domestic structure well. And Gautam Gambhir is that name. He has seen in and out of Team India, and who better than Gautam Gambhir then? Now, Gautam Gambhir was also seen having word with Jay Shah after Kolkata Knight Riders won the match, but there hasn't been any official confirmation whether Gautam Gambhir will become Team India's head coach or not. But what's confirmed for now is that you won't see Rahul Dravid with Team India and as Team India's head coach after the T20 World Cup 2024. Now, Team India will play its first match against Ireland on 5th of June at Nassau County International Cricket Stadium, New York in the US, and that will be their start of the T20 World Cup. After that, they will lock horns with Pakistan, arch rivals. India, Pakistan will face each other on 9th of June, again at the same ground in New York. Now, security measures have been heightened, increased for this big match, but right now, what we are reading in the reports is that Rahul Dravid, who is currently the head coach of Team India, will only be there with Team India in this World Cup edition, and after that, you won't see Rahul Dravid and you'll see a new coach for the team in blue. That's that from my side. We'll get you all the latest updates around Team India's head coach, around T20 World Cup, and a lot more. But till then, you stay tuned to Cricket Next.
फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स,
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स,
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज, सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म, क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट।